the Welsh language is the language of the future, and it's not like a dying language like what people say, and you can see that in the Eisteddfod and everything like that. And for young people, like I'm from Glyn Wise, which the Welsh language is like always around you. And I was in the rugby team, and everybody would speak Welsh together. Even the coaches speak to us, play tennis, badminton, everything. And it's like even like I know in a lot of places, like more like southways, they speak Welsh in the schools and in the church, and they don't use it afterwards. But what I think is more important is like to use it in everyday speech, like when they go home to the families, or even when they go out to the youth clubs. It's like I think Welsh should be used every day. You've got Duffy, who's number 4 in the charts in America now, and she's from Nebyn. She speaks Welsh. I'm good friends with. I forgot his name, but I'm saying I'm good friends with him. Aaron Ramsey, who plays for Cardiff City, like he was in the FA Cup final. He's a Welsh speaker. It's just like you've got loads of them, and it's brilliant. Dwayne Peel, everyone like that. The rugby team who won the Grand Slam. Welsh is everywhere, and it is a cool language. It's not something you know have to do in school, which is quite boring. It's like something you're doing every day, and it's fun.